Reduce the pain of vaccination in babies. Breastfeeding. Controlling your baby's physical pain with breastfeeding. You can breastfeed your baby during vaccinations. Breastfeeding is one of the best ways to reduce pain in babies. Babies benefit from being comfortable in their mother's arms, the sweet taste of milk, and sucking.
It is a very effective physical comfort for babies during painful procedures.
Start breastfeeding your baby about a minute or two before the needle, and make sure there's a good latch. Then continue to breastfeed your baby during and after the needle. Your baby's legs or arms can be exposed so that the needle can be given easily. Breastfeeding during vaccinations is safe. There's no evidence at all that babies will gag or learn to associate their mothers with pain. If you cannot breastfeed, hold your baby and give sugar water with or without a soother.
Is it yummy?
This is one of the many ways of reducing your baby's pain during vaccinations. Don't forget to view the rest of the videos in this series. And remember, combining the different methods together will lead to even better results.